The most of these newly formed rapids in the local park. I'm not sure I'd fancy that. Do you, Joanna?
No, I was trying to work out where it was. So it looks like a stadium.
It's the local river, just with the volume of rainfall. Yeah. I think for today, the most that I would like to do is take a gentle jog in the park, actually. And there's some beautiful weather conditions to go with it, actually. Clear blue sky and lots of sunshine to look forward to today for most of us. You can see the exception up into the far northwest with this cloud here developing, and that will bring some showery outbreaks of rain throughout the afternoon, but generally speaking it's fine and it's promising across England and Wales. Just a little bit of fair weather cloud into the northwest a little later on in the day, but pleasant enough. Now the cloud and the rain will gather across Northern Ireland, a little bit of brightness into the east close to Belfast, some showery outbreaks of rain to the far northwest of Scotland, but eastern and central areas you'll see some decent spells of sunshine and highs of 14 degrees. Hardly a cloud in the sky across the rest of England and Wales. Temperatures a couple of degrees up on yesterday. Could see highest values of 23 degrees. Don't forget it's June, high UV. You'll need some sunscreen if you're out and about for any length of time. Now overnight tonight, this area of low pressure will start to push in from the west. The isobars squeezing together to bring some wind and some rain. But just draw your attention down to the south. We drag up some humid air, and with that heat could spark off some thundery downpours as well. So there's a potential for some storms to develop during the early hours of Friday morning. Anywhere from the Isle of Wight stretching up to Lincolnshire. East of that could see some sharp and thundery downpours. There'll also be some sunshine around, but nevertheless, if you're caught in one or two of them, you're certainly likely to know about it. But temperatures could get up to 26 degrees, 27 maybe. That's the warmest day of the year so far. So yes, it's going to be warm, it's going to be muggy out there. Behind it, a slice of sunshine. Here's our weakening weather front, just a band of cloud, the odd spot or two of rain. And then actually behind it, some brighter but fresher conditions. So Northern Ireland, not a bad afternoon in prospect. There'll still be some showery outbreaks of rain, I'm afraid, for Scotland tomorrow. Fairly cloudy afternoon and wet in places, 14 degrees perhaps your highest values. So as we run through the evening, actually weather conditions are likely to improve from the west. So early evening barbecue looks likely across Northern Ireland and west facing coast. You can see some sunshine returning, but a fresher feel to the day. A wet and windy start to the weekend up in the far northwest. Gales perhaps on exposed coast, but for the rest of us it looks likely to be fine, promising highs of 20-21 degrees. Lighter winds on Sunday, fewer showers, so the second half of the weekend looks very promising for most of us. And again, highs of 21, that's still 70 Fahrenheit. Enjoy.